with his cell phone are demanding the charges be dropped. 19-year-old Devin Thomas says he was attacked, then arrested for videotaping several Petersburg police officers. Thomas was charged with resisting arrest and disorderly conduct. During a press conference earlier today, his new attorney said his client shouldn't be charged at all. Petersburg police say this case remains under investigation.
And take a look at this new video. Another family has come forward claiming Petersburg police came on their front porch and tried to stop them from taking video of an arrest that was happening right in front of their home. They reached out to the On Your Side investigators and shared this dramatic cell phone video. The incident led to a violent confrontation. Tonight, investigative reporter Rachel DePompa finds out what happened and examines whether this is a pattern of behavior and a violation of your First Amendment rights.
This is cell phone video from 17-year-old Jaquan Fisher. He was standing on his own front porch recording the arrest happening on Rome Street.
I was right here. I pulled out my phone.
Petersburg police had just busted several people at a home right next door. They were handcuffing the suspects in front of Jaquan's home. He walked out onto the porch and his cousin yelled, "Start recording."
He came off the porch and like, "Want to take your phone?" I heard him put my phone in my pocket, and then that's when he tried to take my phone. I guess he thought he was gonna get my phone. He shoved me, so I was like, "Man," I shoved him back.
Jaquan's sister also started taking cell phone video. The person in the white sweatshirt is Jaquan's mother, Deborah.
They were trying to grab my son off the porch, and I was trying to tell my boyfriend to open the door so we can get in the house.
A second officer arrives during the struggle. There's an object in his hand. The family says he started spraying mace.
They maced each other, too. They just went to me. He just started macing.
But watch what happens when a third officer comes rushing into the chaos. Jaquan was charged with 2 counts of felony assault on a law enforcement officer. Prosecutors eventually dropped one charge and reduced the other to a misdemeanor, which he pled guilty to. Deborah didn't have an attorney. A judge found her guilty of obstructing justice. For the family, this wasn't about the fight on the porch. It's why they were even bothered by police to begin with.
We have a right to do what we want to do with our phone.
Sitting on your porch.
Sitting on my porch.
This all happened in April, a full 2 months prior to this.
Get inside now. Inside. Inside. You record all you want to.
A 17-year-old was recording video of an arrest when officers tried to make him leave a public street.
How old are you? How old are you?
Huh?
How old are you?
I'm 19.
19?
It also led to a violent confrontation, again with a bystander not involved in the original police arrest.
When you start having a pattern of encounters like this, regardless of who's right or wrong, just the pattern and the questions that are raised erodes public confidence in the police and public trust in the police.
We showed the videos to our legal analyst, defense attorney Stephen Benjamin.
Let's be real clear. You have an absolute right to stand on your front porch and record what's going on in your front yard.
He has no inside knowledge of the cases, doesn't know what information police had, and can only see what you do, what's on the videos. But he says what he does see raises some red flags.
Because an officer decided to prohibit the video recording being made on the porch, you then had the police creating a separate encounter that very quickly got out of control, putting the other officers at risk.
He also questions the use of the chokehold.
It's a dangerous procedure.
He says what's captured on video suggests
that there is a need for training, additional training, perhaps a different approach to their policing, and perhaps some discipline.
We gave Petersburg police a few days' notice and requested an on-camera interview to find out from their perspective what was going on here. Now, police only offered up a statement. Officers are trained to use the least amount of force. No complaints have been filed, and the event happened nearly 3 months ago. They went on to say officers do not hinder the public from recording video, as it is their right to do so. For the On Your Side investigators,